Hello, today we will be making restaurant-style biryani. It is delicious and very easy to make. For this, we'll be needing 3 cups of ceela rice, and this means like aged rice, and this is the best rice to use out of all others. I prefer this. Next, we'll be needing 2 pounds of chicken in slices like so. For the spices, we'll need 1 bay leaf, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 to 3 pieces of big cardamom, 2 to 3 pieces of regular cardamom, half teaspoon of fennel seeds, 1 cinnamon stick, few cloves, pinch of fennogreek, and 4 to 5 pieces of black pepper. For the crushed masalas, we'll be needing ground coriander, red chili powder, crushed pepper, paprika, salt, and we will be needing 1 teaspoon of each. Also, if you like, you can use Shan Sindi Biryani masala, and you can use 2 to 3 tablespoons or to taste. In addition, we'll be needing 1 large onion or 2 medium onions. For garnishing, we'll be needing fresh green chilies and ginger. Also, we'll be needing 4 to 5 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, half a cup of plain Greek yogurt, and half a cup of tomato paste. Also, we'll be needing 1 teaspoon of Kewra water essence. This is optional, but it is easily available. Also, we'll need 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. And for color, we'll need orange powder, or if that is not available to you, you can use orange and red liquid form food coloring. In a large pot, we will fry the onion in oil. We will do this until it is golden brown over medium heat. When the onion is golden brown, we will add our crushed masalas. We will add the coriander powder, red chili powder, crushed pepper, paprika, and salt. Next, we will add the rest of the spices. Now we will cook the masalas for a few seconds. Then we will add the ginger garlic paste and cook for another 30 seconds. Now we will add the chicken. We will stir the chicken to coat it with the onion and seasonings. Now we will cook the chicken for 8 to 10 minutes uncovered. While the chicken is cooking, we will soak the rice in water for 8 to 10 minutes, and we will rinse it before boiling. We will cook the chicken until the oil is visible, like so. Now we will add the tomato paste, and we will cook again, stirring occasionally for another 8 to 10 minutes, uncovered. While the chicken is cooking, we will take another pot and fill it with water. We will add 3 teaspoons of salt. When the oil is visible like this means that we can now add the yogurt. We will cook for another 10 minutes, moving the chicken occasionally so it doesn't stick to the bottom of the skillet. When the chicken is dry and there is no more liquid, the chicken is done. When the water on the side is lukewarm, not very hot, we will carefully add the rice. When the chicken is almost done, we will add the remainder of the shan masala, which is 1 tablespoon, and we will cook it for only 1 minute. Going back to our rice, we will check if it is boiled. If it is 90% boiled, we will strain it. Make sure that there is no water. We will let the rice rest for 2 minutes so all the water drains. Next, we will layer the rice and chicken like so. To add more flavor, we will add fresh lemon juice. Also, we will garnish the chicken with fresh green chilies and ginger. We will top off the chicken with rice. Now we will add the Kewra water essence. You can add it now or you can add it when boiling the rice. Now we will add the food coloring. You can use powdered food coloring or you can use food coloring in liquid form. Also, at this point, we will add more fresh lemon juice. Now we'll poke a few holes in the biryani with the fork or spoon. This allows trapped steam to get out. Now we'll put a paper towel on the lid and cover the biryani. We will cook the biryani on very low heat for about 20 minutes. After 10 minutes, check on the biryani. You will see steam coming out. We will mix the biryani and then we will let it cook for an additional 10 minutes on very low heat. After an additional 10 minutes on low heat, we will mix the biryani again. Now we will turn off the heat and we will let the biryani rest for 15 to 20 minutes with the lid on top. Now our biryani is ready to enjoy. It smells delicious and the rice grains are perfect. They are not stuck together as you can see. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe and like for more translations of videos.